Now here is a question worth asking and answer. The question is this: the 2024 election, does it end the Lucifer Satan's era? In the book, a wise man once said, "There is nothing new under the sun." And for the past few years, society is experiencing something that seems new to many, but is as old as man. I call it the Lucifer Satan syndrome. Syndrome with an I and a hyphen, because it fits the dreadful drama taking place in the world. The Lucifer Satan speaks of a fallen angel and his demoniacs being let loose to run freely amongst people who must travail through the besetments and turmoils brought about by his reign of terror until he's finally put out of commission. If you have noticed the upsurge of deception, chaos, and division, you are seeing with your own eyes the effects of what the Lucifer Satan does. Will it end with the election? That's the big question. I believe the avenging angel of his doom has arrived, a hero of providence to end the conflicts. The people with their votes will set the captives free. They will act according to the dictates of their consciences. That gut feeling the Lord placed in all of us. And for that, civility, pride, and joy will return to the nation. The many will be joyful, but some will suffer like an addict, forced to detoxify from an addiction. It is wise to govern oneself accordingly.